Hello dosto, how are you all? I hope all are good. So today we are starting AWS scenario based interview questions and answer series, and this is the day one. Okay, now without any further, let's get started. So our first question is basically scenario one is scaling a web application. Okay, so your question is like your company e-commerce website experiences a surge in traffic during peak season. The current web server struggled to handle the load, causing slow response times and potential downtime. So, how would you design a scalable architecture on AWS to handle these traffic spikes? So, your answer is first, we can leverage several AWS services to create a scalable architecture. First, Amazon EC2. So deploy the web application on EC2 instances. Utilize auto scaling groups to automatically scale instances up or down based on predefined metrics like CPU utilization. Second one is Amazon Elastic Load Balancer, in short ELB. Okay, so distribute incoming traffic across multiple EC2 instances in the auto scaling group for high availability. Get it? Third one is Amazon CloudFront. So implement CloudFront as a content delivery network, in short CDN, to catch static content like images and JavaScript files closer to user and reducing latency and improve website performance. I hope you get it. So our next question is related to disaster recovery. Okay, so question is a critical database server in your on-premises data center suffers a hardware failure. Get it? So how would you recover your database and minimize downtime using AWS services? So it's simple. Your answer is like this. Utilize Amazon RDS. RDS full form is relational database services for your database, and RDS offer built-in redundancy with automatic backups to Amazon S3. Okay, and you can leverage these backups for fast recovery. First point is restore to a new RDS instances. It means relational database services instances. Restore the latest database snapshot from S3 to a new RDS instances in a different availability zone, and this minimizes downtime and ensure data redundancy. Okay, next point is Amazon Route 53. So update Route 53 to point to the newly recovered RDS instances and allowing applications to resume using the database. Get it? So our third question is securing an application. This is the scenario based questions. Okay, so questions is you are building a new web application on AWS that process sensitive user data. So how would you implement security based practices to protect the application and data? This is the very important question, I think, right? So our answer is first, VPC, virtual private cloud. Create a VPC to isolate your application's resources within a private network. Okay, second point is security groups. So configure security groups to restrict inbound and outbound traffic to EC2 instances and allowing only authorized access. This is the important line. Okay, third is IAM, identity and access management. So implement IAM roles and policies to define granular access permissions for users and applications interacting with AWS resources. Fourth point is AWS KMS. Okay, so KMS full form is Key Management Services. So use KMS, it means Key Management Services, to manage encryption keys for sensitive data at rest and in transit. Get it? So basically in this video I'm covering three questions. Okay, basically three scenario based questions, and in my next video I will cover more questions related to AWS scenario based interview questions. Okay, and if you like this video, then share it anywhere where you want and subscribe my channel. And yeah, till then, bye bye dosto.